about the new reference Premier line. Now this is a line that's been in the market for a couple years, getting ready to do a next generation of that line. It's been really well received critically and commercially, with a lot of new technology built into that line, and we're excited about making the next step. We're actually increasing the SKU set of that to add some premium finishes, some furniture grade engineered wood veneer. This is a walnut wood veneer. Down the line there you actually see a piano gloss finish that is available. And then of course we do have the black ash vinyl as well. Obviously we're moving from a vinyl baffle to a satin painted baffle on all models. That includes the vinyl cabinet version. Getting to a anodized cast aluminum trim ring that adds a nice detail both around the woofer and between the horn throat and the horn mouth. Increasing the durometer of that composite coated horn material makes it look a little more seamless, also makes it easier to clean. Very high efficient, very dynamic sounding cerametallic woofers, but we're actually adding a vented tweeter. Opening up the vent on the back side of that tweeter actually allows for better air pressure consistency. It just makes for much better, much more dynamic high frequencies.
So what you're in is this is our 50th anniversary X-Star. There are only 50 of these being built. This is number 3 of 50. It is a sold boat going to Northern California. We do have a Klipsch sound system in the boat, and we're the only ones who have a Klipsch sound system in the boat. And that's the way Mastercraft likes it, especially when you've got a partner like Klipsch that can deliver a product that's just far superior to anything available in the marine segment right now. This system is the Premier audio system, so this is the top tier system. 6 speakers, 2 subwoofers. We also have 4 additional speakers on the tower. 1600 watts. It is full digital signal processing. The sound quality, the spatial quality in this boat rivals a home theater, even though you're in an open environment without walls or anything to reflect on. Our products are generally used for what happens behind the boat. So surfing or wakeboarding, and yes, that's the logic behind those speakers on the tower. We have independent control. So if you don't have someone back there and you wanted to drop those speakers down, the volume down, you can do that. But if someone's surfing or wakeboarding behind the boat, you can certainly raise it up so that they can enjoy the music with everyone else.